Hello viewers, my name is Mr. Trilok Singh. Today we will know about Sarvodaya Inter College, the oldest school of Almora. Sarvodaya Inter College Jayanti is one of the oldest institutions of Almora district, located about 400 km away in northeast direction of Uttarakhand state capital and national capital. It was established in 1951 after upgrading the then middle school constituted in 1928. The story of establishment of this institution and the supreme sacrifices made by our leaders is highly inspiring and motivating.
Year back in 1920, when the world was striving to recover from the destruction of the First World War, India was reeling under the oppressive rule of British Raj. Its atrocities were increasingly felt with every passing day after World War, which ignited the minds of the masses to spread Kranti of freedom movement nationwide. Salem did not remain untouched. With the return of Shri Ram Singh Dhoni ji, a renowned freedom fighter and educationalist, from Rajasthan to his motherland, Salem, the conch of freedom movement was blown in our pristine Devbhoomi. Motivated by his exceptional leadership, our people plunged into freedom movement, which ultimately culminated to famous Bloody Salem Kranti.
Like most of the remote parts of our nation, Salem was a poor and illiterate land of docile people. In 1920, its literacy rate was less than 5% against the national average of 12%, and its GDP was less than 1/10 of the present day's GDP compared at today's prices. To motivate and mobilize masses under those trying circumstances was really a Herculean task beyond imagination of anyone. But our visionary leaders, Dhoni ji and Shri Durga Dutt Shastri ji, made it possible.
There was no doubt in their mind that education is the panacea of all ills and path for the growth and development of this backward region. Hence, the idea of middle school was conceived by them, which came into being in 1928 as one of the oldest schools of Almora district.
With consistent efforts of Shri Shastri ji, the middle school was upgraded to the present day's Inter College. Shastri ji motivated few teachers of our Devbhoomi including Shri Devi Dutt Gururani ji of Kubhau, our first principal, Shri Girish Chandra Joshi ji and Shri Dikar Singh Kumbar ji of Kande, Shri Nand Kishore Pandey ji of Sangroli, to join the newly upgraded middle school to today's Sarvodaya Inter College Jayanti, leaving their scintillating city life and career.
From 1951 to till his retirement in 1988, Guru Rani ji rendered selfless service as founding and born principal to this Vidya Mandir. He nurtured it like his own child and worshipped Ma Sharda in his 30 years penance as a true and devoted pujari. Under his able leadership, the college gained name and fame and became one of the best institutions of Almora district during 1970. Its fame spread far and wide, and students from far-flung areas rushed to seek admission in this prestigious college. The academic staff of the college was dedicated for holistic development of students. Some of the reputed staff members include Shri Govind Singh Bisht ji, Chadra Ballabh Joshi ji, Ganga Prasad Joshi ji, Himmat Singh Negi ji, Roop Singh Bora ji, etc. Many students of the college performed exceptionally and are well established in different fields. Some of them are reputed engineers, doctors, administrators,
academicians, journalists, lawyers, judges, etc. and are successful professionals. After retirement of Guru Rani ji, Shri Chandra Ballabh Joshi ji take over as principal and continued his legacy. Thereafter, Shri Ganga Prasad Joshi ji took charge of principal of the college. He was also a strict disciplinarian. After retirement of Joshi ji, the academic standard of the college started deteriorating, as most of the time the college remained without a regular principal.
The Sarvodaya Inter-College Jayanti Alumni Association SICJA, currently active in restoring the institution's historical glory and upgrading its facilities for modern standards. Thanks for watching this video and keep supporting for more video updates.